all, in this tutorial we will study Android spinner drop down list. Earlier we have studied the list view and customized list view. The list view displays a long list of item in an activity on the whole screen, in the form of the row view. But sometimes you may want your user interface to display other views along with the list view. Hence, you do not have the additional space to display other views along with the list view. In such case, what we will do, just use the spinner view. Spinner view displays one item at a time. The spinner view displays the item in a drop down list, and you can select one item at a time. Basically, in Android, spinner is used to select one value at a time from a set of values. The default state of the spinner is shows the currently selected value. Selecting the spinner displays a drop down menu with all other available values, from which a user can select one item that you may want to display. So to start the project, first you need to create a blank project in the Android Studio project, and name it. I'm naming it as spinner 1. Finish. Now it is building the project. Go to the rest folder, go to the layout file, and one spinner. Write it Android spinner example. Text tool. Select item. Select item from a drop down list. Basically, spinner is a drop down list. Define one spinner. Set the gravity of the spinner. Center. Define ID of the spinner. Spinner. Close it. Now layout file is defined. Now go to the values folder. Go to the string.xml file. Define an array here. String array. Name. Month. Define all the month name using item. Now all the items of the array is defined here. Now go to the main activity file and write a code for activity file. First fetch the ID of the spinner. Now fetch the array from the string.xml file. Now fetch the spinner array. First take a string type of array, month name. Now here month name equal to get resource, call the get resource function, resource dot get string array, that is defined in the r dot array dot month. Now take a array adapter, string adapter equal to new array adapter. This comma android dot r dot layout dot here do not use the simple list item, it is used for the list view. Use here simple underscore spinner item and pass the array, that is month name. Now array adapter is created. You need to set that array adapter on the spinner dot set adapter. Now add the on item selected listener, spinner dot send on item selected listener. New, it is defined in the adapter view dot on item selected listener. Now on item selected listener has four parameter, that is parent, view, position and id. Parent is pointed to the screen on which a spinner is defined. In the adapter view that was clicked into position contains the position of the view in the adapter. Long id contains the row id of the item that is selected. Now define a toast message, toast dot make text get application context, comma, you have selected plus month name position. It will return the selected item, comma, toast dot length long dot show. Set the on item selected listener. Here two overridden methods is defined. One is on item selected, other one is on nothing selected. On item selected is a callback method. Is a callback method invoked when an item in this view has been selected. Whenever an item in the spinner is selected, on item selected callback method will be invoked. On nothing selected is a callback method. It is invoked when the selection disappears from the view. For example, suppose when any touch is activated on the screen, or when the adapter becomes empty, then on nothing selected function is called. It has only one parameter, that is parent, that pointing to the screen on which spinner is. Now run the project. Now here we can see that this is the spread drop down list. Click on this list, you will see all the drop down list items. Select any item. Your toast passage is displayed. You have selected August. December, you have selected December. Okay. Now if you want to add the radio button in front of the each list items, So for this, you need to just change, you need to modify the second parameter of the array adapter, that is simple spinner item to simple list item single choice. Now again run the project. Now see in the spinner list, here all item is displayed, and in front of the each item there is a one radio button. Okay, now suppose I have selected the August here. So you have a toast message display. Suppose Now suppose I have selected a April here. A toast message displayed. You have selected April, means on item selected method is invoked. Now, that's it. In the next tutorial we will study customized spinner.